Hey, this is Divi from the Partner Engagement Team. You might remember me from the podcast. Today, we're excited to reveal the brand new Driver app, which you'll be able to download from the App Store or Play Store in the coming weeks. This new app is intended to load faster and also work better in poor network conditions. So in this video, I'm going to show you the app in 3 sections. Number 1 is your account, profile, and earnings information. Number 2 is the new trip planner. And number 3 is the trip experience. So we're going to actually go ahead and see what a trip looks like. Your account, profile, and earnings information. So to access this section, just tap your profile picture on the top right corner. The first thing you'll see is the brand new notifications page. Unread notifications stay highlighted on your screen, like an inbox, and old messages won't disappear. So if you have a new notification, a badge will show up on your photo in the top right corner of the map screen, just like this. So let's take a look at what's new in your account. What's new here is that you can add a vehicle directly from within the app and also edit your bank account details, saving you time from having to go into partners.uber.com. You can also keep your documents updated directly from within the app by tapping on Documents. You can also access your Momentum card at any time by tapping Perks. If you'd like to change any of the settings in your app, you can visit App Settings. In here, you can select your navigation provider of choice. If you're deaf or hard of hearing, tap Accessibility to enable features designed for you, such as making your screen flash when a request comes in. We've also launched a new feature called Night Mode. This makes the map darker at night, making it easier to navigate. If you'd like to share your trip with a friend or family member, you can set that up by tapping Share Trip. Now that we're done with the account section, let's have a look at the profile section of the app. See details on your rating by tapping on your rating. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page to answer 2 new questions that will be shown to riders so that they can get to know you better. Let's go through the earnings section. To see details on your earnings, just tap Earnings and then Earnings Details. Over here, you can easily scroll through your past few trips or weeks of trips by tapping the left or right arrow buttons. If you're looking for a particular trip, you can select the day of the trip and then go ahead and click the trip itself. If you need help with that trip at all, just tap the question mark icon on the top right-hand corner to get help. But to make it even easier for you, your earnings can also be viewed at a glance right from the map screen. Over here, you can easily track your progress towards your daily or weekly goals. Don't want your riders to see your earnings? Not a problem. Just tap the eye next to your earnings to turn on the all-new privacy mode. Let's move to section 2, Trip Planner. Like the old app, areas with high demand will show up as red on the map, indicating that surge pricing is in effect. But in the new app, you can zoom in to see where the main demand is coming from. So for instance, in this example, where it says 1.2, that's the center of what's causing the demand, and the surge multiplier reduces around it. The new app also has a feature which aims to show you nearby areas with more requests than usual. If you like, you can choose to tap and head towards one of these areas nearby. This is different to the existing surge pricing heat map in the app because it may not be surging in that area, but it may be busier than where you currently are. To access the trip planner, just tap the arrow on the bottom left. So this is a newly designed part of the app that houses many features, both old and new. And one of the most exciting new features in the app is hourly trends. So this feature allows you to better plan when you want to drive. You can tap See Driving Time to view how many hours you've been online and manage your fatigue in accordance with the laws of the country you drive in. To filter which types of trips you might want to receive, just tap the Options icon on the bottom right corner. Do you want to set a certain destination to get trips towards? Just hit the search icon on the bottom left. Another way to access this really easily is directly from the map screen. Also, if you're in a city with an airport that has a queue, you can view how many drivers are using the Uber app that are waiting in the queue just by tapping the P at the airport in your city. Great! Now that you've seen the ins and outs of the new app, let's go ahead and complete a trip. So to go online on the new app, just hit go. You're now online and available for trips. This is what a trip request looks like on the new app. Just tap to accept the trip or tap decline on the top left-hand corner. If you'd like to contact your rider, just tap the phone icon and you can directly chat or call your rider. Tap the navigation black bar on the top to turn voice directions on or off or view turn-by-turn directions. When you've picked up your rider and you're ready to start the trip, just swipe right on the green bar. And when you're ready to complete the trip, just swipe right on the red bar. At the end of the trip, you'll be able to rate your rider. If you have any feedback that you'd like to pass on to us, and if you give them anything less than 5 stars, you'll be able to choose a comment to go with it. To go offline, just tap the white bar in the bottom and tap the red Go Offline button. We hope you found this video useful in getting to know the new app. Thank you for watching.